And roll.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to this week's video. Sorry I missed last week. I was busy. Apologies. Anyways, today we're doing the Subway 5-foot-long challenge. So believe it or not, I actually did this challenge. This is one of my first challenges I did on my YouTube channel. I did it back in November of 2010. That's 7.5 years ago. That's a long... It's 2018. In the 7.5 years since I originally did this challenge, I did it in 9 minutes and 30 seconds. That time has failed to withstand the test of time. Nella Zisser from New Zealand did this challenge in 9 minutes and 17 seconds. Next, Nate Figueroa did this challenge in 7 minutes and 31 seconds. And then lastly, Isaac Harden Davis, all the way down in Australia, kicked ass, did this challenge in 5 minutes and 17 seconds. That is a really good time. So, those times are good. Those are great times, but I think it's about time. It's 2018. I think it's about time to get a little bit of revenge. Today's video is sponsored by Dollar Shave Club. For those of you who don't already know, Dollar Shave Club is the super convenient and affordable option when it comes to shopping for and restocking your men's grooming products. Instead of having to drive all the way to the store and then having to select like the different brands, all this stuff on the shelf, all that garbage, all you gotta do is to Dollar Shave Club, which are the high quality razors and shave products you want, how frequently you want them, and then bam, they'll ship it all straight to your doorstep. I think that's my Dollar Shave Club. Now if that wasn't cheesy, I don't know what is. Right now, new members who sign up using the link in the description box below or go to dollarshaveclub.com/MattStoney will get their shit, shower, and shave trial kit for just $5. Included in this kit, you will get their sturdy, reusable, high-quality handle, 4 of their 6-blade executive razor cartridges, a tube of their Dr. Carver's shave butter and body wash, and a couple One-Wipe Charlie butt wipes. So if you're new to Dollar Shave Club, don't miss out on this great deal. Click the link in the description box below or go to dollarshaveclub.com/MattStoney to sign up today. As much as I love my Dollar Shave Club shave products, we gotta eat some Subways today. Alright guys, so just quick reminder, this is 5 Subway footlong sandwiches. I went with the exact same order I went with in 2010, which was turkey, roast beef, black forest ham, Italian BMT, and a veggie delight, all with cheese and all the vegetables except for the peppers. Alright guys, well there's no more need to delay. By the time I go, I'm going to start at the 1 minute mark. I'm taking this seriously. I cannot lose. 5 foot long in 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 3, 2, 1. Alright, 3 down, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Decompress. I'm not finished. Oh, this is gross. guys. Oops, shit. No, fuck. God damn it. Accidentally clicked. Alright. Alright guys, well I just wiped my phone off and it totally obliterated the time that I had there. But it was like 6 minutes flat. It had right there 5:59 point something. So 6 minutes flat for the challenge. Exact time will be right here of some sort. Guys say feels good after not doing this challenge for 7.5 years, losing the title, losing the record, and then coming back to barely, even I didn't beat it by much. Isaac Harding Davis, if you're watching this video, props, man. That's a good time. That was not easy. I had to like really focus and really work hard to get 5 minutes. So 5% props, man. He's got a YouTube channel. You can check it out. I don't think he posts too many videos anymore. I'm not sure. I feel bad if I said that, and he does. I'll link Isaac Harding Davis's challenge in the videos. All the videos I mentioned will be linked in the description box below, so check them out. So that's it for today's video. Successful attempt to reclaim the crown, reclaim the throne on the 5 footlong Subway challenge. 5 Subway footlong challenge. Quick reminder, Dollar Shave Club, $5 shit shower and shave trial kit deal. New members who sign up using the link in the description box below or go to dollarshaveclub.com/MattStoney will get their shit shower and shave trial kit for just $5. There's so many 5s today. But yeah, link will be in the description box below, dollarshaveclub.com/MattStoney. New members who sign up using that link get this awesome deal. And for the record, I don't like talking on and on here, but I didn't set many rules when I initially did this challenge. If anybody goes out there and does 5 meatball marinaras, that's kind of cheating. No meatball marinaras. Get out of here. That's cheating. Even tuna. No tuna or meatball marinaras. One.